Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best one pack of dry erase markers available on the market. The EXPO Low Odor Dry Erase Markers, Chisel Tip, Assorted Colors, 4 count. Whether you're a teacher, office professional, or someone who loves to stay organized at home, these markers could be just what you need to keep your whiteboards vibrant and clear. Right off the bat, these EXPO markers stand out for their chisel tip design. This feature is incredibly versatile, allowing you to create broad strokes, medium lines, or fine details with a simple change in the angle you hold the marker. This flexibility is perfect for presentations, brainstorming sessions, or artistic whiteboard work, where varying line widths can make your content more engaging and easier to follow. Another big selling point is the low odor ink formula. If you've ever been in a room where dry erase markers linger with a strong smell, you know how distracting and uncomfortable that can be. EXPO has formulated these markers to have minimal odor, which makes them ideal for classrooms, offices, or even your home office space. You can use them for extended periods without worrying about irritating smells. These markers are designed for use on whiteboards and most non-porous surfaces. The ink is bold and vivid, which means your writing will be easy to see from a distance, great for larger meeting rooms or classrooms. Yet, despite their boldness, the colors erase cleanly and easily, leaving no stubborn residue behind. This ensures your boards stay clean and ready for the next round of notes or drawings. The pack includes 4 assorted colors, which adds an extra layer of utility for organizing information by color-coding your notes, tasks, or reminders. Having multiple colors helps to differentiate ideas or highlight key points, making your whiteboard work not only functional but visually appealing as well. Durability is another aspect where these markers shine. The ink lasts long, and the markers themselves are built to withstand frequent use without drying out quickly. This means fewer replacements and more consistent performance over time, which is especially useful in busy environments where the markers get heavy daily use. Overall, the EXPO Low Odor Dry Erase Markers offer a reliable, versatile, and user-friendly solution for anyone who relies on dry erase boards. Their combination of chisel tip versatility, low odor, vivid colors, and clean erasing makes them a top choice. Whether you're jotting down quick notes, drawing detailed diagrams, or leading a classroom discussion, these markers will help you do it all with ease. That's it for today's product critique. If you're interested in getting your hands on the EXPO Low Odor Dry Erase Markers, check out the links below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest product reviews.